Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to set Google as home screen on Microsoft Edge. Open your Edge browser. There, click on the menu and then click on Settings. You will go to the section Start, Home, and New tabs. Now copy the Google web address, check the box, open these pages. Click on Add a new page and paste this address. Click on Add. To validate, close Edge, and when you open it again, you will see that Google is the main page. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.